If you are working on a construction project right now and you don't have a proper tracking sheet, you are flying blindly. And today I'm going to fix that for you in one single video. 90% of construction projects go over budget, not because of bad design, not because of bad workers, but because of bad tracking sheets. In this next few minutes, I'm going to hand you a skill that takes most project managers years to develop, and you are going to walk away from this video ready to use it tomorrow. If you want to stop being just another engineer on site for years and start becoming the person every client and consultant depend on, this video is for your turning point. What if one single sheet could show you right now whether your road project is on budget, on schedule, on track? Let me build that sheet with you today. So, S curves, histograms, and pie charts, cost tracking sheets, all these things I'm going to cover in today's video, which is going to give you an authority, the next demand for client and consultants. These are not simple visuals, but these are the tracking sheets. These are the demand from client and consultant. So in this video, I'm going to help you people how to develop these things step by step. So first of all, let me track it with you people. But before getting into the detail of today's video, I would request you people to subscribe this channel. Well, my name is Engineer Waqas Ahmad, and I'm the trainer for Project Planning Control, Primavera P6. You can drop your engineering discipline, your job role in the comment section area so that my team can approach you and help you with more tutorials for project planning, control, and reporting system. So right now you can see it looks very good, very demanding, and every single client and consultant is looking forward for such kind of reporting system. But there is a comprehensive data behind these all histograms and S curves. So let's start finding out how to compile such kind of video, because behind this video there is a comprehensive data. I can show you step by step. There is a summarization sheet, there is S1 sheet, there is cumulative soil. This is complete road construction project sheet which is having different kind of deliverables. You can see this is structure, boulder works, asphalt, then there is prime coat, there is overhead expenses, and this is where you can see other things, petty cash, everything is included here. And first of all, you need to understand how this data has been summarized. You can see column B, column A is actually giving the IDs, column B is presenting all these deliverables. Overhead expenses coming from here, you can see over here, overhead expenses, OH, it is given there, here. And then if you can see over here, preliminary is coming from prime, boulder work is coming from bolts, and clearing and grubbing work, soil, asphalt bearing coats, then you have prime coat, structure works, asphalt, and so on. See, so every single thing you can see right now, this, if I can click over here, this data is coming from the sheet OH D55. So OH, I can click on this one, OH D55 here. So overhead expenses has been calculated and given in this sheet. So what are their categories? This format you can understand work scope, in which category that overhead expenses is reported, their units per day, per liter, their concerning amount, okay, the rate per day or per liter, and then their concerning amount, and ultimately this has been tagged in our main summary sheet over here. And when we go for this one, you can see this is the way how we can calculate their cumulative. This is E55 and I can go into OH. You can track it out. E, this one, the next one. Okay. Next value, next value. So in summary sheet, that is how overhead expenses has been given on the upper field, right? This has been taken from that OH sheet and cumulative values has been calculated. This one is going to add it with this one, and next, this is cumulative value. Okay. And then preliminary. And if I can tell you this preliminary, this is something over here. The same pattern has been followed, like how this has been. And if I can just make it like this one, 11, and this is PS. Okay, preliminary has been given here PS, and it has been taken from PS D33. So I can PS, here we are on the PS D33. So we have A, B, C, and it is not given there. Okay, see D33. Here we have D33. See, and same way you can now understand easily. This value will be E33 and so on, and cumulative values has been calculated. Now this is cumulative value has been developed with the help of upper row. Whereas this value, this C13, there is one more value in between there 13. We have to find out D35. In PS, there is D35 and here we have D35. This is your income, right? This the value has been given there, because we should keep this thing in our mind how to develop our S curves. There is time interval value and there is cumulative value. I have explained these things in many other videos which I have given on this platform through different kind of tutorials. And if you are missing out them, you can just visit my video details. There you can find different kind of tutorial links and you can start learning those things as well. So right now you can see expenditure and income, right? Rather than planned value and earned value, we are actually going in this way. So this is our actual cost, actually expenditure. This is our income, what is planned one. This is what is actual one, right? And everything has been calculated. 22 has been missing out. So I can go like this one and I can see in clearing grubbing, it is given in that sheet, clearing grubbing. And I can go here, this one. And if I can see in clearing grubbing, it is E33. Clearing grubbing, E33, E33. Here we have this value, 37,000. The next one, and so on. This cumulative value has been developed. Like this one added with this one is going to give you this one. Then 70,000 is going to add it with 30,000. And the formula is here. And even if you need such kind of sheet, you can just write in the comment section area, road construction project tracking sheet. My team is going to contact with you and provide you this complete comprehensive sheet, right? So that is how we have developed this summary sheet over here, right? For structures, for all and for boulder works, asphalt, prime, and these formats are already given there. You can develop for your own road construction or building construction projects by having this data and just change the names of your deliverables, but the sheet formulas are already given there, right? Once you are done with all this summary sheet in which your all deliverables are well defined and in very precise way, their links are connected with their sub sheets, right? Now there is another sheet from some, you can see over here. Okay, and finally it has been calculated total expenditures. It has been given all the expenditures for asphalt, for structures, for prime coat, and the formula is given there. So this is total expenditure is there, total income, total budgeted. This is your planned value. Okay, this is your work done value and this is your total cost value. Even you can change over here. Total expenditure is your total cost, to earned value, cumulative earned value, and cumulative planned value. So we have developed from these values the overall project summary. And now let me show you how to develop our S curves. Like over here, I will get back to that S curve. Okay, so it's very easy to track it down, select data, and if I'm going to click here, edit, it will take me on that sheet from where data has been taken. See over here. But, this data has been utilized, okay, in the summarized sheet. This is total expenditures, mean total actual cost, earned value cost, and total planned value cost. So it's very easy. You are going to just select this timeline. Okay, the timeline has been selected like this way. Okay, only timeline should be selected and then keep pressing control button on your keyboard and then further you have to select the term, whatever you want to see. This is total. So I'm going to select this one. This is your total planned value. First of all, we are going to add this one and yes, over here. Okay, this has been selected, this one and this one. Okay, now I will get into insert. We are going to make it like this way. See, it has been created. So guys, that is how we are going to create these S curves. And now moving on to the next one is this one. See, if I can click here, select data, it is going to track us out like from where we are going to add up. So I'm going to click edit. So you can see that in summarized, you can see we have made different kind of overhead expenses. All those categories we have made separately, all above data given over here. We have made separate section and then we have given their respective values here, and after that we have given the command how to create our pie chart, right? And if you can go up here in our this cost, you can just right click select data, and this select data has been taken from edit. So this sheet, cumulative soil ABC, see from here this labor, plant, fuel, material, this has been compiled over here and comprehensively dates are there, and we are going to give the command the same way how to compile our histograms. If histograms are there, we are going to utilize time interval values. If S curves are there, we are going to use cumulative values, right? And if you want to that is how you have selected your these parameters which are already given in those sheets, right? If you can click here edit, you see this sheet has been there, cumulative soil. If I can close this one, I can take you over here, I can close, I can take you. So you can see over here this sheet, what is the information given there? The information is about labor, plant, fuel, and that the same information is about labor, plant, fuel, and you have this is cumulative value. These are the cumulative values, and the against this one there is S curve, but the histograms has been separately created against all these trades. So you can see over here, these are the histograms as per that month, and their respect three colors are there. One color is showing fuel, one color is showing plant, and one color is showing labor. And you can just create, see, you can just see like this one, total expenditures, just 1 minute. Yes, 603, 56. Where is 603? So here we have labor and 506. Where are, yes, 603. Yes, here we have. Ultimately, we have all these values here. First, we have to see, okay, see, select data, labor. Okay, this is edit, and this labor and this value. See, now you can track it out. Now the value has been taken from this one. Okay, you understand now how the values has been created. Okay, if I talk about plant, edit, the plant has been selected here and from here, 603. I was finding out 603, but I got it. So you also need to understand when there is any Excel sheet like you need to understand the reverse engineering, how to investigate that one, and how to make these sheets simple. You are going to make this December. Keep pressing Control button. Okay, like this one. Get into insert. There is this one. See, like this one. But in our specific situation, what we are trying to do, it's very simple thing. This one, and all of a sudden, we are going to select all of this and then insert, and then there is insert different. See, and when we are going to do this one, we are going to add in series one, like I'm going to select data. I am going to select here the series one, edit here, the labor. Okay, see, then edit plant. Okay, then edit series 3 fuel. Okay, okay, see, labor plant same has been created. And if you want to show the same data labels, that see same thing is there, whatever you have been, see. And if you want to show this something like S curve, you can also show that one. But I hope it is going to help you a lot to create such kind of formats and create such kind of visuals. Please drop your comment section, discipline your project planning control skill set. And if you want to see and have this complete Excel sheet with all those formulas and all that, please write in the comment section area. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you want to attend my upcoming live free masterclass for project planning control, then do comment in the comment section area. Primavera P6, my team is going to provide you the complete comprehensive link, which is going to give you an opportunity to attend and talk to me in live free masterclass. See you in my upcoming video.